Now at 5:30, the trial continues for a Philadelphia man accused of killing his ex-girlfriend during a brutal knife attack at the Meadowbrook train station in Abington. Gilbert Newton, who faces murder charges, wrapped up his testimony this afternoon. Alicia Roberts is in Norristown, where the case may soon be in the hands of the jury. Alicia?
Yuki, that's right. In fact, the jury could get the case late tomorrow morning. Today, several members of that jury teared up as they heard damning text messages from the defendant to his victim, Morgan McCaffrey, after the pair had broken up. This afternoon, the defense called their final witness, Gilbert Newton III. CBS 3 was there as Gilbert Newton III made his way out of a Montgomery County courtroom after taking the stand in his own defense. Tuesday, the jury heard in his own words about the events leading up to his ex-girlfriend Morgan McCaffrey's death, including how Newton took 2 kitchen knives from his home the morning of July 27, 2020, and hid them in the pouch of his hoodie when he met McCaffrey at a secluded parking lot at SEPTA's Meadowbrook station in Abington. Newton went on to say he got into McCaffrey's car to talk about their recent breakup and that he intended to kill himself. But after an argument with McCaffrey, he started stabbing her instead.
Most people are going to want to know why.
Local attorney Keir Bradford Gray discusses how those details may or may not factor into a verdict.
The relationship really has no bearing on whether or not a murder in the first degree occurred. Was it intentional or was it not?
And how cases like this put a spotlight on these crimes, with the National Coalition Against Domestic Violence reporting 1 in 4 women as victims of partner abuse.
It does really make people, law enforcement and all other agencies, look really closely and be more proactive.
This as the family of Morgan McCaffrey remain hopeful justice will be served.
Today was tough. It was grueling in there. The evidence was presented. It was some of the worst evidence that you could have in a trial. The family remains positive, and we're hoping that the jury sees that.
And closing arguments are set to begin at 9 a.m. Several sources close to this case tell me they are hopeful to have a verdict before the end of the day tomorrow. Reporting live in Norristown, Alicia Roberts, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Alicia, thank you.